Hi guys, it's Gav here in the wood. Today I wanted to do a little product test of this folding bush saw. Quite handy size to carry in the pack. It's quite light and it saves you carrying the frame and also getting your bag all cut up with the blade, because the blade's protected inside the thing. So let's have a wee look at the product that we've got. So it comes in a handy bag. They're about 15 quid. Blade comes out. You can see right away the blade's not that good, and it's not all that easy to buy quality blades for this product. Quite a handy size. It's not really for big logs, but let's try it on something like this. Like that. It's a terrible blade it's on it. Try another one. That's even with thin wood, so it might be alright with a bigger blade on it, but with that wee one it's useless. Well, it's better than doing it without the saw. I have to hold it lower. And as you can see, as I get to the smaller end of the bench, it obviously gets easier. But basically, not a good blade. I would have to see if I could get another blade for it that was better quality, because that one's just terrible. But the idea is good. The frame's fairly strong. Maybe with a better quality blade it would be better. But anyway, so I wanted to show you that. They're called Well Hike. They've got Well Hike written on them. It's actually called a folding hacksaw. Yeah, so definitely get the bigger one. I'm going to test the bigger one next, but because it's easier to get the blades for the quality blades. I think you can get blades for this, but I need to check it out, see if you can get quality blades. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments, and remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye just now.